Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ultimate Phone Guide. Today we're diving into the Motorola Moto G 2026, the upcoming budget smartphone that's already getting attention even before its official release. If you're thinking about getting a new phone in 2026 that won't break the bank, this might just be the one to watch. Let's start with the design. The Moto G 2026 is expected to have a sleek and modern look with a plastic frame and back. It's designed to be lightweight but still feel solid in the hand. The front will feature a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels. Sure, it's not full HD, but what really stands out here is the 120Hz refresh rate, which means smoother scrolling and animations, something you don't usually get in this price range. Now let's talk about performance. The phone is rumored to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM and options for either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. This setup should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like social media, watching videos, browsing the web, and even gaming. And yes, it's 5G ready, so you're set for fast data speeds too. Software-wise, the Moto G 2026 is likely to come with Android 16 right out of the box. Motorola is known for its clean, near-stock Android experience, so you can expect a clutter-free interface with minimal bloatware and timely updates. Moving on to cameras, we're looking at a dual-camera setup on the back. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel shooter, paired with an 8-megapixels macro lens for those close-up shots. On the front, you'll find a 20-megapixel selfie camera, which should be more than enough for selfies, Instagram stories, and video calls. Battery life is another big highlight. The Moto G 2026 is expected to pack a large 5200 mAh battery. That's more than enough for a full day of heavy use and maybe even 2 days if you're a light user. And when it's time to charge, the phone will support 45W wired fast charging, so you won't be stuck waiting around forever to top it up. As for the extra features, the phone will likely have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, a USB-C port, and possibly even a headphone jack, though that's not 100% confirmed yet. Dual SIM support is also expected, which is great for people who travel or manage work and personal numbers. Now the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price in Europe is around €200, which is roughly $220 in the US. For what you're getting, that's a really competitive price. The rumored release date is January 14, 2026, but we're still waiting on official confirmation from Motorola. So, what do I think? If Motorola delivers on all these specs, the Moto G 2026 could be one of the best budget phones of the year. A smooth display, clean Android, strong battery life, decent cameras, and 5G, all for under $250. That's a great deal. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you planning to grab the Moto G 2026? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ultimate Phone Guide, and hit that bell so you don't miss our upcoming reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.